Assalamualaikum, my dear students of class 7, and welcome back to the very first virtual lesson of the season. So let's start with the sounds because we are today talking about sounds and its properties. So let's start with the definition of the sound. What is a sound? Actually we are going to discuss first क्या actual में sound होता क्या है. So it is a form of energy. First of all वो क्या है? It is a form of energy. Just like light, sound is also a part, it is a form of energy which is produced by the vibrations in the air. Right, my dear students, sounds are what? It is the form of energy which is formed, which is produced by the vibrations. मतलब form जो sound होता है, it travels in waves but producing some vibrations. As we have seen in this picture, we have a drum over here. But when we strike these drumsticks, यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Sound produce होता है which moves in waves but having some vibrations in it which produced that particular sound of the object. Right, now it's time for us to discuss about the types of sound, and today we are going to discuss 3 types of sounds. Feeble, loud and musical instruments. So my dear students, we are going to differentiate between the sounds of different things. First we will differentiate between the feeble sounds. जैसे कि आपको पता होगा हर चीज़ की एक अलग sound होती है, right? But if we talk about human beings, तो human beings का क्या होता है? They are somehow have similar sounds. But when we talk about animals or birds or instruments, they have different sound. उनके जो ग्रुप्स होते हैं सिर्फ उसमें सिमिलर साउंड होता है. बट इफ़ वी डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन डिफरेंट एनिमल्स, इफ़ वी टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ डॉग एंड अ हॉर्स, तो उन दोनों के डिफरेंट साउंड्स हैं, वो कहीं से भी सिमिलर नहीं होंगे. बट इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ह्यूमन बींग्स, तो वो कहीं के भी हों, समहाउ उनके साउंड्स सिमिलर हो जाते हैं. राइट, so let's start with the feeble sound. Feeble sound क्या होता है? Which are somehow soft, not torturing our ears. So in that particular sound we can take the example of a bird. So students, to make this lesson quite exciting, we are with the musical teacher of our school and he is going to assist with in the lesson, right? So let's start with the sound of the bird. So you have heard that sound of the bird. It's not torturing our ear. It is not torturing our eardrums. वो हमारे ear के लिए harsh नहीं है. These sounds are called feeble sound. Now if we talk about an aeroplane which moves around the air, तो वो आ जाएगा आपके loud sounds में. क्यों? Because it has somehow a sound which tortures our ear. As you can hear, gradually क्या हो रहा था? एरोप्लेन का साउंड जो था वो हमारे ears के लिए harsh हो रहा था, right? So these are the sound which comes in the loud sound. Now let's talk about the musical instruments. Musical instruments, maybe my dear students, there are some different sounds. So let's start with the soft sound of the musical sounds, which are of flute and violin and different many more instruments. So let's take the example first of the flute. You can hear it. It is a very soft sound of a flute, right? Then there is another instrument called violin. उसका भी sound जो है आपको soft लगेगा. How? It's gonna be like. What is it happening? It's not torturing our ears. वो हमारे ears के लिए, हमारे eardrums के लिए soft है. We are recognizing the soft sound. अगर आपको मैं बताऊँ नहीं कि कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है और आपको नाम भी नहीं पता हो, लेकिन आप इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे as the soft sound, right? Then comes the sound of drum. आपको पता होगा ड्रम क्या होता है. इट इज़ अ वेरी लाउड साउंड हैविंग वेरी हाई पिच. उसके क्या होते हैं, जब आप ड्रम को ड्रमिंग करते हैं तो उसकी पिच हाई होती है, वो लाउड साउंड में आता है, उसकी वाइब्रेशंस ज़्यादा होती हैं, राइट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द साउंड ऑफ ड्रम. Have you heard the sound of drum? It's what? It's a high-pitched sound with a very loud sound, right? Then comes the sharp sound musical instruments. And इसकी example हम flute से ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब flute हम blow करते हैं तो it's very sharp vowel when we hear about it, right? So let's hear it. You can hear the ending part of every flute is very sharp. Let me do it again. Can you hear the ending part? वो क्या है, थोड़ा sharp है for our ear, right? So we have differentiate all the three types of these sound. फीबल में क्या होता है, वो हमारे ears को harsh नहीं कर रहा होता. Loud थोड़े से हमारे ears के लिए harsh होते हैं. अगर हम उन particular चीज़ों के करीब होंगे तो वो हमारे ear drums को ख़राब भी कर सकते हैं. Then comes the musical instruments. और इसमें भी हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें differentiate की कि कुछ हमारी loud sounds होती हैं, कुछ soft होती हैं और कुछ क्या होती हैं, sharp होती हैं. So let's move to the mechanism of sound, that how is sound produced. Let me show you an example. If I clap my hand, I am what? I am producing a sound by clapping my hand. You can clap your hand like this. You will hear a sound and you are producing that particular sound. And when you use drumstick to drum, a drummer use drumsticks to drum it, right? ड्रमिंग करने के लिए आप क्या करते हैं, उस पर्टिकुलर साउंड को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. दैट्स कॉल्ड मैकेनिज्म ऑफ साउंड. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द साउंड वेव्स. So my dear students, as we have discussed that sound moves around through waves having some vibrations in it, right? So इसके अंदर क्या होगा, ये बिल्कुल similarly light की तरह ही चलता है, but light waves are called electromagnetic waves, as you all know, right? But sound की जो waves होती हैं वो कहलाती हैं mechanical waves, right? Light की क्या होती हैं, हमारे sound की जो जितनी भी waves होती हैं वो कहलाती हैं mechanical waves, because we are producing sounds through some work, right? So let's move on towards the next topic, which is about how we do to produce such sound. And for that particular thing I am going to do an experiment and show you guys how you do it. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about the wave and the vibration. So there is an experiment I am going to show you. And for that you have to use a scale, just a scale. If you just press it like this and then leave it, you can hear a sound. Right? Can you hear it? This sound is produced when the vibration is there, right? You have the vibration in the waves, and because of that, that particular sound is being made by the scale. This is how sound is being produced by any particular thing. There is another example of a pendulum. Here we have it, and if we move it, first of all we have to make it still and mark at two places. A, B and C. If you can see, this B point is the mean point, is the resting point of this particular bob. And if I just move it a little, you can see it is moving from B to A, then A to B, and then again B to C, right? This is called the amplitude of the particular thing from that how bob is moving and at what time it will stop at that particular resting point. Okay students, as we have shown that the properties of pendulum are comprising on 4 states. First one is amplitude. Amplitude क्या होता है? The maximum displacement of a vibrating body. मतलब एक body, vibrating body अपनी ही resting point से दूसरी जगहों पे maximum कितनी दूर जा सकती है, right? So the displacement from this point to this point, then again coming to this point and then going to this point. This is called the amplitude of that particular vibrating thing. Okay, then comes the vibration. The vibration is called the to and fro movement, means the movement of pendulum here and there, and then the point on which टाइम के यहाँ पे ये पर्टिकुलर रेस्टिंग पॉइंट पे पेंडुलम कितनी देर में आ रहा है इज कॉल्ड द ऑसिलेशन. और जितनी क्विक ऑसिलेशंस होती हैं उतनी ही ज़्यादा वाइब्रेशन पैदा होती है, राइट. देन कम्स द टाइम पीरियड. टाइम पीरियड क्या होता है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? टाइम पीरियड जो होता है वो ये होता है कि एक वाइब्रेटिंग बॉडी जो है वो कितने टाइम में अपने रेस्टिंग पॉइंट पे आ रही है, और उस चीज़ को, उस पर्टिकुलर थिंग को जो टाइम पीरियड वो टेक कर रही है उसको मेजर करने के लिए हम स्टॉप वॉच यूज़ करते हैं, और ये हमेशा सेकंड्स में मेजर होती है. that how many seconds is that particular vibrating body is taking to come in that particular resting moment. Then comes the frequency. The number of vibration per second is called the frequency of oscillation. Oscillation क्या था? अभी हमने बात की कि यहाँ से वहाँ जो ये मूव कर रही है from here to there, इसके अंदर वो कितनी जल्दी कर रही है एक सेकेंड में, ये कराती है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी, राइट. सो इट इज मेजर इन हर्ट्ज और उसका सिंबल क्या होता है? HZ. Okay my dear student, there is a thing which you have to know that from where is this hertz came from. ये एक जर्मन फिजिशिस्ट थे, रुडोल्फ हर्ट्ज, हेनरिच रुडोल्फ हर्ट्ज, जिन्होंने इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स जो थी वो इंट्रोड्यूस करवाई थी, और उसके थ्रू जो है ये उनके नाम के ऊपर रखा गया था. इट वॉज नेम्ड आफ्टर दैट पर्टिकुलर जर्मन फिजिशिस्ट, राइट. सो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द SI यूनिट ऑफ एवरीथिंग. एज वी नो दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी का क्या होता है SI यूनिट? HZ, राइट. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय दिस, बट when we calculate frequency we do it 1 upon time period, and time period is denoted by capital T. Now let's talk about through which the main topic of our lesson is denoted, which is sound, and we denote it with sound, SONE. Right my dear students, hope this lesson was exciting for you all and you have enjoyed everything. So let's end with the sound of the piano. Hope to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.